Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best RV cooler on the market, the EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator, a powerful and versatile electric cooler designed to keep your food and drinks perfectly chilled whether you're camping, traveling, or on the road. This portable fridge combines smart technology with a spacious design, making it a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and road trippers alike. First off, let's talk about capacity. This model offers an impressive 59-quart or 55-liter capacity, giving you ample room to store everything from fresh food to frozen items. It's cleverly designed with dual zones inside to effectively reduce odor and help organize your items better. Plus, it comes with a removable internal basket that makes accessing your groceries easy and efficient. One of the standout features of this cooler is its advanced cooling technology. Powered by a variable frequency compressor, it can cool from room temperature down to as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about -20 degrees Celsius. This fast cooling ability means your items get chilled quickly, reaching 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Whether you need to keep drinks cold or store frozen goods, this fridge adapts effortlessly. Energy efficiency is another key benefit. The EUHOMY cooler is all certified for energy efficiency and features multiple modes, including an ECO mode for saving power during extended use and a max mode for rapid cooling when you need it. Despite its powerful cooling, it averages just 45 watts of energy consumption, so it won't drain your vehicle's battery quickly. Speaking of power, this fridge is built for versatility. It supports multiple power inputs including 12 volts and 24 volts DC from your car or RV, and 110 to 240 volts AC for home or campsite use. This flexibility means you can take it anywhere without worrying about power compatibility. To protect your vehicle battery, the cooler offers a 3-level battery protection system, allowing you to select input power modes to avoid overload or battery drain. User-friendliness is at the heart of the design. The fridge features a simple LCD control panel, letting you adjust the temperature with ease. It also comes with Bluetooth connectivity and app control, so you can monitor and manage the cooler remotely from your phone. This smart feature adds a layer of convenience, especially when you're on the move. Portability is enhanced with a removable handle, making it easy to carry when you're moving between your vehicle and campsite or home. Inside, an LED light brightens the interior so you can find what you need even in the dark, perfect for late-night snacks or drinks. Durability is also well thought out. The fridge is constructed with sturdy materials like low-density polyethylene and features reversible door hinges, giving you flexibility depending on where you place it. Its freestanding form factor means you don't need to worry about installation. Just plug it in and go. The EUHOMY 12-volt refrigerator is not just a cooler. It's a portable freezer with a wide temperature range from -4 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it incredibly versatile for various outdoor needs, from keeping perishables fresh to freezing ice cream on a hot day. If you're looking for a reliable, energy-efficient, and smart cooler that fits seamlessly into your RV lifestyle or outdoor adventures, this EUHOMY model ticks all the boxes. Its blend of capacity, cooling speed, multiple power options, and tech-savvy features make it a top contender in the portable fridge market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the best products out there. Until next time, keep your cool and happy travels.